Hey there, my friends. 𝐸𝐸𝐿 here, and I'm so excited that you're here because I'm going to do a $25 one-up review. Again, that program is called $25 one-up, and it is, an amazing program. So stay tuned because I'm going to tell you how $25 one-up can put money in your pocket and how this works. Okay, so let's just jump right into it and stay tuned because I am going to show you my commission. So stay tuned because you're going to want to see that. So, what is $25 one up? $25 one up is a instant pay program. If you don't know what instant pay means, it simply means that when you make a commission, that commission is paid to you instantly. It goes directly into your PayPal or our other payment processor that you set up. A lot of people use Stripe or PayPal. Okay, this is a global opportunity. Anywhere that someone can accept, your payment processor, either PayPal or Stripe, that you can get paid. Now, what is the product? Okay, the product is digital education, copy and paste ads and marketing training in your back office. Now, there's only two levels with this, which makes it super simple. There's a gold level, which is $25 one time you pay to come in, plus you pay a small $10 admin fee, okay? And then there's a $100 level. You can upgrade to the $100 level, so it'll be $125 you pay total plus the $10 admin fee. That $125 includes the $100 level and the 25, okay? Then now you're eligible to earn at both levels, and that's what you want to do because when I show you what I show you, you're gonna say, "Woo, yeah, I need to be at that level." So again, gold and platinum, you either pay $25 one time plus a $10 admin fee, or you pay the $125 to come in so that you can make commissions at both levels. All right, and that's what you want. You want to position yourself at platinum. Okay, I'm gonna show you why in a second. What I really love about this program, one problem that a lot of people who've either tried to make money online or been in the marketing game for a while, they may have 2, 3, 4, 5 programs, right? Or they may have been in programs before and then they had to quit at some point because they were getting bled dry with auto ships and monthly fees, and that can really cut into your earnings. So that's it. So with this, there's no monthly fees or auto ships. So what's amazing is that you could pay $125 one time, and or plus the $10, so it'll be $135 total, and then you could be in commission mode. So it's like an investment that just grows. Okay, like imagine you put $125 in the bank, and you could just withdraw money over and over again. It's the same type of concept. Now, the reason why the 125 level is so awesome is because it helps you build $100+ days with less work because you're positioned at the right price point to really win and to leverage that and not have to work so hard. And the product is digital. It's 100% digital. Again, it's the marketing education that's back there, and it's the you get the reseller, opportunity to resell this program. You get the marketing education at gold and platinum. There's marketing training, and there's a lot of internet marketers out there who need marketing training. Okay, and so that's what you get. Okay, now, so one of the things that I'm so passionate about is for a long time I struggled online for a long time. Couldn't even make, I'm talking about, forget $1,000 a month. Try making, a consistent $500 to $1,000 a week, let alone a month, right? And I discovered a Facebook blueprint. And what is that? Well, I shouldn't say I discovered it, but what happened was I actually got a coach, a 6-figure coach, to teach me what I needed to know. And then as I started diving myself into free traffic strategies, I discovered I cracked the code to get massive Facebook traffic. And now I share that with my team when they position themselves at platinum. Okay, because what I want people to be able to do is to take this digital product, digital opportunity, where you only had to pay, one time, $125, right? And then I want you to be able to turn that into a weekly paycheck. That's my passion, is helping people really be like, wow, I have extra. Or leverage up and create you know, whatever income that they want to create. And that's where my passion. So that's where the Facebook blueprint comes in. You know, I've been with programs where I got bled dry to like buy all this traffic, do all these solo ads, do yada yada yada. So yeah. So let's show you how this works, because this is what I get most excited about. So this is my back office right here that you see. Ha, love this. Love this program. You talk about an amazing investment. All right, I paid $125 one time, and I made $100 yesterday. That was passed up to me actually. And then in the last 30 days, I've made $2,150 with this system. Okay. So, you know, if you look at the dates here, I've had I've had $300, what day was this? The 21st. I made $250, is that? Yeah. On the 17th, I made several hundred. On the 13th, I had several coming. So, I mean, this program has helped me create 100 to, I had a $600 day. I mean, I've had multiple commission days. On the 10th, this day, I think that was the day I made $500 or $600 in one day from just people coming in at the platinum. So that's why you want to position yourself at platinum, because if you're not positioned, then that gets passed up to me, the next person who's qualified. So I want you to keep all your commissions. All right. So that's it. Here's what I want you to do. I want you to position yourself where you're ready to earn. Hopefully that's at platinum, because that's where you get access to my blueprint, and you want that because it's no point in having an opportunity and not having a strategy. I tell people that all the time, like, you could join 15 opportunities if you don't know what to do with those opportunities. They're just opportunities just sitting there that you just invested in. So I want people to get a strategy and be able to apply that and go out and win and duplicate what they see me do right here. All right, so that's it. Like, comment, and subscribe if you're watching this on YouTube. And check out the comment section. Hop in my inbox. Say hey. And I look forward to connecting with you. See you on the other side. Bye, guys.